10 beauty salons in Bangkok to get perfect eyelash extension. Introducing 10 best places in Bangkok to get eyelash extension by experts for the perfectly natural lash look. Don't worry if you don't wake up with full, thick, long lashes every single day without a touch of mascara like the ladies from Europe or the Middle East. Let us introduce you to eyelash extensions, one of the greatest beauty innovations that will keep your lashes looking its best from the moment you get out of bed. If you're looking for the top eyelash experts that do some of the best and finest works in Bangkok, then look no further. At Follow Fauzia has got you covered with this list of the 10 best beauty salons in Bangkok that will give you the beautiful, natural-looking lashes you've always dreamt of. Let's start with Cirrus Beauty Boutique, which many people have heard of before. The focus here is on eyelash extensions that care for the customer's eyelashes and prioritize the health of the customer's eyelashes. It also comes in a number of different styles. You can even have a professional technician create eyelash styles that match the shape of your eyes. Eyelash extensions, eyelash lifts, and eyebrow lifts are among the services offered by Cirrus. By skilled technicians, its regular clientele include Thai celebrities and actresses, and it is also the official importer and distributor of Yumi Lashes, a world-class eyelash lift brand from France. Beauty Bar, a beauty boutique that's well known for its high-quality service managed by the renowned singer Salrat Warriorai, from the legendary Thai pop duo Formod. The boutique offers both eyelash extension and eyelash lifting by experienced professionals. With their top-tier equipment and medical-grade adhesives and lashes imported from England and Australia, you can be confident that your lashes will be wonderfully beautiful and natural and tangle-free for at least 1-2 months. Blanc is a one-stop service eyelash and eyebrow salon from Japan and one of the first of its kind in Thailand. Aside from all the innovations, equipment, and techniques the brand brings with it, all the beauty professionals working at Blanc must complete an eyelash specialist course from Blanc Eyelash School in Japan, guaranteeing the quality and level of service you will be receiving. Whether you've got a sexy, sweet, or minimal style going, there's a Blanc lash that's just right for you. Natural Charm is all about natural looking. Sweet Dolly will give your eyes a Dolly Eyes treatment, and Diva Desire takes the sexiness through the roof by extending the lash length around the tail of the eye. Another top-quality beauty salon that specializes in natural-looking eyelashes with a unique technique acquired from professionals in Taiwan, one of the top countries in the world for eyelash extensions. You can pick from 3 different styles of classic, volume, and hybrid. The classic style is intended to give you the most natural look possible with a meticulous technique that handles each lash one by one, resulting in a perfect blend between your real lashes and the extension. If you like more fluff, then the volume style would be for you, as it will add overall thickness to your lashes and make your eyes seem sweeter as well. If you like the sound of both, the hybrid style is always there for you. At Charm, the beauty specialists have been trained to always be all-round alert to your needs and style. With their experience and expertise, you'll walk home with the beautiful, luscious, and natural-looking eyelashes that every girl dreams of. You can have a pick from 3 different styles including Sexy Look, adding sharpness to your eyes and boosting the sexiness level. Natural look, keeping the length just right and natural. And sweet look, that is all about volume and adding the roundness to your eyes. As for the extensions, you can choose between real mink that's more natural looking, but also more expensive, and signature mink that has a little more volume but still guaranteed to give you a truly defined look that's still very you. Aside from having a plethora of branches at some of the most popular shopping centers in Bangkok for our convenience, Claire by SLC has also always been one of the top choices for Thai celebrities and stars when it comes to eyelashes. You'll get to experience the Claire signature technique for extension developed by professional stylists from Korea and Taiwan, giving you the eyeliner effect that will make all your eye makeup moot. You can opt for the classic extension where the stylists will get meticulous each lash until they become as natural as can be, or the volume version that will give you the full, thick, long lashes you've also wanted. Furthermore, you can also stretch your imagination with all the colorful lashes they have available. Lash Bangkok has become one of the top go-to places for Bangkok city ladies to get their lashes done. Their team of experienced professionals is not only diligent with their hands and cleanliness, but also understands your needs and style and knows what's best for your eye and face shape as well. The best seller here is the Essentials style that adds volume but will also keep things natural and easygoing. The Dolly Dolly style is also well known for adding thickness and giving your eyes a little boost as well. Not interested in extensions? You can also get yourself a nice session of eyebrow lifting here. You might have walked past this salon a few times if you're ever traveling along with the BTS. The convenient location on the SkyTrain route makes Lashery a great spot for a quick yet reliable lash lift if you're in a rush for an event later. The boutique uses one of the latest innovations from Japan called the Speedy Lash technique that can reduce the treatment time to a swift 30–45 minute session. Furthermore, you'll have a wide variety of styles to choose from, including a fully natural look or a stunningly elevated result. No matter what style you might have had in mind, be sure that the professional at Lashery will get it done for you in no time. Sleep Salon and Nails is a one-stop service for nails and hair services located in the heart of Bangkok amid a beautiful, relaxing atmosphere where patrons can feel relaxed and take nap while using the service. The team of experienced professionals at the salon uses a special technique to provide you with personally designed lashes that will suit your shape. Aside from lash extensions, Sleep Salon and Nails also offers eyebrow lifting services that will make your brows so beautiful you'll throw away your mascara for good. Closing out the list is Tingle, a favorite among beauty bloggers and influencers. With a combination of high quality, affordable craftsmanship, impressively luxurious level of service, and the meticulous technique used on every lash, it's easy to see why. You'll have a pick out of 4 styles including natural, just right lash length with a fully natural look, sweetheart, similar to the previous style but a level longer, superstar, the most popular style that will give you the most length, curve, and volume, and lastly, darling, emphasis on the tail of the eye and giving your eyes the sexy treatment.